Boyd gets the Boyd. Read all about it. $1 Million Boyd gone.
Mess swore Sylvester in as a special agent to snoop around the back alleys of the underworld for signs of the missing Tweety.
Oh, ow, oof, oof, ow, oof, ow, oof, ow.
Police authorities believe that Tweety Bird is being held for ransom by the notorious Rocky and his gang. And if you are listening to this broadcast, Rocky, remember...
Don't hurt the Boyd.
Sign it off, Nick.
Okay, Rocky. Anything you say.
Those bad old gangsters. Nasty old kidnappers.
I wonder where someone would go about hiding a kidnapped bird. Say, that must be the missing kidnappee. And where there's a kidnappee, the kidnappers must be close by.
Oh, Duddy! Look at that nice putty cat trying to tame me.
Hey, boss. I thought I saw a putty tat.
You did see a putty tat.
I slipped.
Oh, there you are, Putty. Oh, hide me, quick.
Here, hide here. They'll never find you in here.
Oh, thank you. Not so hard.
Hey, Rocky, the Boyd's gone.
He must be out here someplace. Okay, pussycat, where is it, the Boyd? Oh, yeah? Search the pussycat, Nick.
Okay, boss.
Okay, Boyd, the jig is up.
Hey, boss, this is all I could find.
Okay, cat, get your package and scram.
You dirty guys! Ugh.
Okay, Rocky, open up now. We got you. Cheese it, the cops. Take the Boyd, quick. All right, Rocky, down to the station house with you. Hold it.
We are gathered here today to pay homage to this magnificent cat who fought his natural instincts to save this little bird. Yes. And now, gentlemen, you may take your pictures of the cat kissing the little bird. Come on, cat. Kiss the little birdie.
Come on, Putty cat. Kiss the little birdie. Oh, he's a bad Putty cat.